Hey, I'm Matt, and
Hi, I'm Pete.
And we're with Orlando Jeep Club. We're doing a thing on Jeeps right now to just ask them a couple questions about their Jeep. So let's ask away. First question is, why Jeep?
Well, I've always had Land Rovers, and Land Rovers are ridiculously expensive in the US, so next best thing, Jeep. And actually a Jeep is a lot more drivable than Land Rover, truth be told.
Redeemed. Excellent. How many have you owned?
What, Jeeps?
Yeah.
This is my second one. The first one lasted 2 years, and this one is just 2 years old as well.
Two years old. Excellent. What mods have you made personally?
I've added a snorkel, which is actually, that's in the low position. There's another bit that goes up on top of it.
Low position snorkel?
It's got an Old Man Emu 2.5-inch lift.
2.5-inch lift. From Old Man Emu.
Genrite aluminum bumper.
Genrite aluminum bumper. Handy dandy Orlando Jeep Club sticker.
Tiger Shark synthetic winch, 9,500 pounds.
Excellent.
Obviously the front LEDs.
Yep, front LEDs.
And
just in case you don't know, Peter sells honey also. So anytime you see him at one of the meet and greets, hit him up for some honey.
And I've got this, which is a cause of much amusement, but basically I have a rooftop tent, and this is to be able to stand on it to get up there. They're on both sides, and sliders.
Slider, rock bars.
And on the rear we've got an Atlas bumper, which can hold 10 gallons of gas and up to a 35. Normally I have 35s on the Jeep. Today I've just got my stock tyres, which I put on if I'm doing a longer trip or anything.
Excellent.
And in the back, for my travels, I built these myself. Well, they're actually computer based, but I've got a couple of drawers. So for my camping and stuff, so I get a stove
Camping
in
gear
there and all that.
all ready to go, all bungeed down, all secured. A first aid kit, part of your trail requirements. A fire extinguisher, also part of your requirements. Plus connection points.
I also have 2 more fire extinguishers in the front, and CB radio.
And CB radio.
And I think that's about it.
Excellent.
It's there for a high lift jack, but I don't use it all the time.
Well, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the reader ride. This is Peter. He's with Orlando Jeep Club. If you are not a member or you have not looked us up, go look them up, orlandojeepclub.com. Come out to one of the Sonics for a meet and greet, and we'd love to take you on a trail ride.